Good day everyone, my name is Andrew Iberbilona and I'm the one of the members of Group 8. So our topic is research-based argumentative essay. So what is research-based argumentative essay? So yung research-based argumentative essay is isa po itong formal na essay kung saan you are going to choose a sides to, and you need to like ipagtanggol mo ito gamit ang nakuha mong facts or source, thoughts, galing sa journals ba, credible websites or books or etc. And yung purpose nito is para ma-convince yung readers na mas tama or mas powerful yung side mo, habang while in-acknowledge mo yung side din ng iba. So in short, sinasabi dito is parang counterclaim. Kina-counterclaim mo yung sides.
Hi everyone, so my name is Daniela Joyce D. Malacas. I will be the next reporter. So today, I will discuss the primary factors of research-based argumentative essay. The first factor is having a clear thesis statement. This serves as pinaka-main idea of your essay, and pinapakita rin dito kung ano yung stand or position mo about the topic. A good thesis statement should be clear, specific, and direct, so that readers immediately understand what you are trying to argue. Without a clear thesis statement, the essay may lose direction and focus. So the second factor is evidence and example. An argument will not be convincing if based on opinion alone lang siya. This is why it is important to support your claim with strong and reliable evidence like facts, statistics, expert study, or even real-life situation. So in this way po, pinapakita mo yung argument mo is credible and research-based siya, not just a personal opinion. Kumbaga may pinanghawakan ka talagang basehan that strengthen your point of view. So finally, the last one, counter-argument. This means presenting the opposite side of the issue, then explaining why it is weaker or less valid compared to your position. By acknowledging other perspectives, you show fairness and critical thinking. So at the same time, you make your own stand stronger and more convincing.
So, good day everyone. My name is Didi. I will discuss the introduction of the thesis statement, like hope of reflection. The thesis statement like mag-start ka sa hope pang attract ng reader, tapos ilagay ang agad ang thesis o main stand mo. And the second one is the body paragraph argument with the evidence. Dito po ay i-present mo po ng isa-isa ang reason mo, tapos supportan ng facts o example or research. The third one is, and the last one is counter-argument of knowledge. Counter-argument of knowledge and review. Dito din ang nababanggit o yung side ng kabila, pero ipakita kung bakit mas mahina o less convincing kaysa sa argument mo.
So next, I'm back. So let's move on the conclusion. So sa conclusion naman ay sinasabi doon like parang marinig niyo yung conclusion, like parang uulitin, like ganun, like parang short. So para sa akin yung conclusion is parang i-restate mo or emphasize mo ulit yung stand mo. So para like iulit mo yung thesis mo with with highlight na yung strong point or strong point, and after that magbigay ka ng solid closing statement po. So next, I will give an short explanation for the research-based argumentative essay. So, ito po ay hindi lamang opinion, or not only an opinion, because it is an argument that have power, or argumento na mayroong lakas, at ito ay always siyang mayroong backup na facts, opinion, thoughts, or research. And that's all for our report. Thank you so much for listening.